Former Rivers State Governor Rotimi Amaechi, who decided in 2024 to stay neutral amid the dispute between the current governor, Siminalayi Fubara, and his predecessor, NaijaNews, said in a new video posted on Facebook page named Tony Nwije, said the fight between the former governor of Rivers State, Wike, and Fubara is about sharing money. Amaechi said Wike, who is currently the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, and Governor Fubara should speak to the public and disclose the reasons for their rift. He made a statement that Rivers State is the only state that can't practice democracy as the basic rule has been imposed on Rivers State. The former Minister of Transportation said President Bola Ahmed Tinubu acted outside the constitution. He claimed Section 188 states how a governor can leave office, either by death, resignation, or impeachment. Amaechi said the act by the presidency makes democracy unstable
in Rivers State.
Okay, so the fight between the former governor of Rivers State and the FCT minister and the current governor is about sharing money. If not, what's the quarrel? Nigerians don't dislike corruption again, because I've not seen anybody on the street shouting about what is the quarrel. Can both of them speak to the public and tell us what the quarrel is about? And then we are now denied democracy. So the Rivers State is the only state in the country that can practice democracy. They've imposed a military rule on us. Secondly, is the fact that the president acted outside the constitution. Section 188 states how a governor can leave office, either by death or by resignation or by impeachment. It didn't say that one day you wake up and one man called the president of Nigeria will just wake up and throw you out of office. It makes democracy unstable. So that's what's going on in Rivers State.
While this generates mixed reactions, what's your opinion? Please drop it in the comment box section below, as we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.